Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.27 sum. Let's see the question. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3. So they have given the center to be 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. Now we have a circle. This is the diameter. They have given us diameter. So I am writing the diameter to be A and B. This will be my center O. They have given the center to be 2, minus 3. We don't know A. We know B to be 1, 4. As this is a diameter and it is a line segment, we know that these two are equal because it is a radius. OA and OB is a radius and it is a line segment. If it is a line segment, we know that O is the midpoint of AB because it is equally divided. So O will be the midpoint of AB. As it is radius, it will be equal. We don't know this, so I am just taking this to be x, y. We want to find the coordinates of A, that is x, y. We need to find it. They have given B and they have given the midpoint, that is O, the center. As it is a midpoint, we can directly take a midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is so give reason for it. As O is the center and AB is the diameter, therefore to find O, we can use midpoint of AB. So now we are going to use midpoint of AB, that is AB is equal to midpoint of AB is equal to O. So midpoint of AB, you can directly substitute in the formula. Instead of x1 we have x here. So x plus 1 by 2, first one plus first one by 2, y plus 4 by 2. We know that this value is nothing but O, so O value you can substitute. So x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2 is equal to 2, minus 3. So first one will be always equal to the first one, second one will be equal to the second one. You can write it separately. By 2 is equal to 2 and y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. If I bring 2 to this side, it comes as a multiply. So x plus 1 is equal to 4. X will be equal to 4 minus 1. X will be equal to 3. So y plus 4 is equal to minus 6. If I bring 4 to this side, y is equal to minus 6 minus 4 and y will be equal to minus 10. Now we know the points to be, therefore A is 3, minus 10, x, y. So we need to write 3, minus 10 as y, as A. So they have asked for A coordinates. We have found it. That's all with the sum. Thank you.